Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we're diving into the world of electric vehicles and innovative startups. I'm your host, Naim, and today we're taking a closer look at Slate Auto, an EV startup backed by none other than Jeff Bezos. Slate Auto is making waves in the automotive industry with its ambitious plan to produce affordable, customizable electric vehicles. The company's manufacturing facility, located in suburban Detroit, is bustling with activity as employees work tirelessly to bring its innovative designs to life. At the heart of Slate's strategy is a simplified approach to vehicle production. By stripping away unnecessary features and focusing on modular design, the company aims to reduce costs and make EVs more accessible to the masses. And it's clear that this approach has paid off. With over 100,000 reservations for its debut vehicle, the company is generating significant buzz. But what sets Slate apart from other EV startups? For starters, its vehicles are built using a combination of recycled and sustainable materials, further reducing the environmental impact of its products. Additionally, the company's focus on customization means that each vehicle can be tailored to meet individual customers' needs, from decals to lighting and audio systems. Of course, not everyone is convinced that Slate's approach will pay off in the long run. Industry analysts have raised concerns about the affordability of the company's vehicles, particularly once customers start adding options or customizations. And with a limited market for two-door vehicles, it remains to be seen whether Slate can scale its production to meet growing demand. Despite these challenges, Slate Auto is undeterred. With its commitment to innovation and sustainability, the company is poised to make waves in the EV industry. As CEO Chris Barman so aptly put it, we're building an affordable vehicle that people will love and be proud to own. Only time will tell if Slate's vision becomes a reality. That's all for today on Electro Drive News. Stay tuned for more updates from the world of electric vehicles, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and analysis.